Let's start by talking about what is Career Compass. And I want to share with you an overview of what Career Compass is because it's intended to be a resource for you through every single stage of your career. Now, Career Compass and the content around Career Compass is found in each of the course modules that you'll see in your Cove Compass platform. And it's broken into four key areas. The first is Career Break Compass. Career Break Compass is founded on my best-selling book, Career Break Compass, and it is a place for those of you who are taking time to rest and recharge and reflect and ultimately rediscover your purpose and how you want to make sure you're showing up in your life as well as in your career. Whether you're in the middle of your break or you're planning one, you'll find support in Career Break Compass to help you through every single stage of that process and ensure that you're making the most of your time away from work. The second is the next port. Now, the next port is a space for those of you who are actively exploring what are the career opportunities for you that are going to be new. And so you'll find tips in terms of job searching, interview strategies, and insights on how to navigate the steps for finding the right next place for you to land. That's really an important place for those of you who are re-entering the workforce after a break, or even if you were maybe laid off or looking ultimately for the next gig. The third phase of Career Compass is about building your career. So we call this section setting the course. Setting course is a space for you to help develop your skills, grow professionally, and really make progress when you're starting a new role. So I always think about this as your first 100 days. How are you navigating those first 100 days to not only strategically enter a workplace, but also making sure that you're not burning out again in this new role and in this reentry for you. And finally, we have the Navigator. Navigator is where you'll find all of the leadership resources that you need to support you, as well as supporting and mentoring your team. So whether you're stepping into a leadership role for the first time or you're a seasoned leader, this space is here to help you grow and make sure that you're maximizing your influence and your impact while managing and ensuring that you have sustainable success for both your life and your career. So no matter where you are in your career journey, Cove and Compass has all of the resources and is created and designed to be a space for you to continue to grow and develop yourself. We'll see you inside.